Have you ever been to a game at Trojan Arena and heard something along the lines of,
"I had a nightmare last night that I went to Texas State"?
Well, besides hitting high notes, the Sound of the South basketball pep band loves hitting opposing teams with their insults.
Apparently only two things come from Texas: steers and bad basketball teams.
Heckling is one of my favorite things ever. I do it at basketball games, football games, whatever, like wherever the Sound of the South is, I'm there heckling. Heckling is just a fun way to like cheer on our team, cheer on the Trojans, as well as psych out the other team.
Oh, she got a cupcake on her head!
We're told from the day that we audition for this ensemble, as well as the day that we get hired, that our job is to not only bring the energy to the arena, but also to bring down the energy of the other team.
When you know that something you have done personally in a stand or in a stadium environment has affected a player that helps Troy, in whatever way possible, it's pretty cool.
Hey, number 0! Don't be alarmed and then a toilet brush on your head!
From verbal insults to whiteboards and waving signs, the band will always find a way to try and get under an opponent's skin in hopes of giving the Trojans an advantage.
Well, it's a stadium atmosphere thing. We're all about helping and supporting.
Well, really, we just kind of see what they're messing up on, and then we harp on what they're messing up on, or we'll find one thing that they're wearing that no one else is, and then we'll just yell at them about that.
Bro, imagine being so ugly your hairline's escaping you.
And at many points, it works, from making players miss shots, to even getting a coach a technical foul. And once they get someone riled up, they'll keep the insult fire burning.
That's the best part. If we get a reaction, it's like our fuel is going, so we got to keep it burning.
Coach has anger management issues.
Rock, paper, scissors. If I win, I get to hold the sign. Ready? All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right. Reporting with the Sound of the South, Stuart Bradly, TrojanVision News.